filming as a bit of a lightning storm. You'd think that the dog would be under my bed, which is what I presumed. The dog's come outside to have a row with the thunder because he doesn't know he's like tiny. He thinks he's a lion. Oh, here we go, a bit of lightning. Come on. Go on, Max. Give it the thunder. I hope you can hear the thunder. So I'm going to film to get a reaction. You should be inside, you know, son. Why don't you come in? Can I convince you? Because the thunder might frighten you. Oh, here we go. I think you should, like, maybe come in for a bit and stop trying to fight the thunder. You are a hard motherfucker. Respect to you, man.